everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout. This is another Paris layout today. These are some Lime bikes, which are bikes that you can borrow in the city of Paris. And this is the very first thing we saw when we got off the metro to start our touring day, which actually was in the afternoon after we had come into the city from Disneyland Paris. We're heading towards Notre Dame, and this is the metro stop. And there was this just cool row of bikes, and in the background, there's like a greenhouse behind it. And it was just a cool photo to take. Paris is definitely a very easy city to photograph. So I'm adding in that 3x4 card from Prima the Miel journaling note cards, which is the word for honey, by the way, in French. And I've put the photo on that green grid paper from Maggie Holmes Woodland Grove. It's the Explorer paper. And then there's that beautiful background floral paper from Maggie Holmes Woodland Grove, the Bold Beauty paper, because it reminds me of that greenhouse and the flowers and the plants. And then I'm playing around quite a bit with some die cut pieces here, the bike, the camera, the tags, the labels here are all from the Maggie Holmes Parasol papers, which I've talked about before. That ticket there that I just grabbed is from the Maggie Holmes 6x12 sticker sheet, as is, oh, and I haven't put it on there yet. Never mind. I'm playing a little bit here with some things. I just keep layering and layering and layering until I feel like I'm done when I'm doing something like this. So I'm starting to glue things down so that I can tell like what I think I need. At some point I have to start gluing. Otherwise it's really hard to layer. That Beautiful Day piece is also again from the papers from Parasol. I have that butterfly in there. That piece is from the Parasol collection. That's where a lot of the things are coming from at the moment. I just have all those papers. You can see them on the left there. They're just sitting there sort of spread out, and I just go through them as I need pieces. And I'll cut pieces like you saw with that little corally pink piece that's at the top left there and at the bottom right. I'll cut them, I'll tear them, whatever I need to do to sort of get the layers till they feel right. And it's really just a feeling. It's nothing where I say, yeah, I have to well, sometimes I'll say I need this color down here and that kind of a thing. So now I've kind of committed to where everything is going to be. I am inking some of these pieces with my Distress ink, but not all of them. So again, right now I'm just dealing with things from the Parasol papers. And it gets me sort of like a basic construction down. These layouts can take quite a bit of time. What I've done is I have left everything out on my desk. You saw the organization. There was an organization video for this Paris trip in the Paris playlist. And you can see how I'm organized the Disney portion, how I organized the Paris city portion. And I just take that file sort of box of things and I put it on my desk. And normally I clean up after layouts. At this particular time I did not. I just left everything out over the course of about 3 or 4 days and did quite a few layouts, because otherwise I have to start pulling things from all over the place. And this way I just keep pulling. All right, there's that tag. I cut the bottom of the tag off because I didn't need it. And then I was able to add it into the cluster at the bottom. And I like how that kind of looks. I am wanting some other color in here, though. There's a lot of peachy pink in here, and I do have some of that in, but I want more. So I am going to grab these flower stickers. These are from Maggie Holmes Road Trip, and it's the small book. You saw that. So there's one there. I'm looking for another one, and I find that one. So again, just layering. I just keep layering and layering and layering until I feel like I'm done. And sometimes that's a whole lot of layering, but that's okay. That's kind of the fun, and that's what these sticker books and packs of die cuts and things are for. When, especially in Maggie Holmes, crepe paper in general just lend themselves. Vicky Bouton as well is one of those like the shabby chic kind of companies really lend themselves to layering really, really well. So now I've added in a little piece that says let's go. I'm popping in a little sticker that says favorite there. And then kind of looking at other things. I put some things back, and then I found this label there. I really like that particular one. That is from the Maggie Holmes 6x12 stickers. Ooh, and I didn't write what collection that's from. I think actually it's it's one of the sticker sheets, but I don't think it has a name on it, now that I think about it. So I added that in. So now I've got some more orange, and I want like orange because there is kind of an orangeness to some of those flowers that I've put on. So I'm adding that in. That's where that little tag comes in there. And that came from the road trip stickers again from that small book. And then I decide, okay, let's get the title on. And I'm going to do that in black, the puffy alphabet from the Alphabet Soup, Doodlebug Alphabet Soup in Beetle Black. That way that title is going to really stand out. Plus, I think I have enough black or dark colors to balance it against all the light. There's that big camera there. There's black in the bike. There's that 5-cent like ticket is also very dark, so I think that really helps balance it. Then I'm going to grab some twine here, and I can't believe this actually worked because some of that bottom piece is really little. I think this might have come from the Target dollar spot. Don't quote me on that though. But it's just white and gold twine there that I'm going to get through the pieces there. And I think I have talked about everything on the layouts. I'm pretty sure that you know where they all came from now. Here's the still shot and a couple of the detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye.